Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply for a Danish study visa. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And I would also like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention is to show you how to navigate through a service. So the information I share or show in this video may or may not work for you. Alright guys, so guys, here on this site, on this visa site, if you scroll down, they have written work, study or stay longer than 90 days, we need to go to this immigration service website. Okay, fine, we'll go there. New to Denmark, perfect. It's in Danish language as well, and you want to visit, live or work in Denmark. So I click on this. You want to apply for based on family, work, study. You see the study option is here. Okay, so you're going to be applying as a student. Okay, type of education, higher education, PhD, for PhD, job seeking after completed. Okay, I select this higher education just for example. Need to know. So okay, who can apply for? Normal processing time and fee. See, higher education program, then completed full education program. Okay, fine. Back. They have given all the information, conditions, language proficiency. Okay, you must be able to support yourself, general conditions that you see. You can go through it and find full. So we'll not go. We'll go instead how to apply. Okay, step by step. So first is create case order ID, pay the fee, gather document, complete the application form, submit the application, biometrics, receive an answer. So what are these? Case ID. When submitting an application or appeal with a fee, you must first create a case order ID. Email. So with this we'll create a case order ID. Then you have to pay the fee. Okay, and then gather documents, documentation they have given. You can even print this checklist. Complete the application form. So this is the online form, but you can download and printable formats are also available. Submit the, if you have applied on your application already submitted. Okay, then you will be recorded biometrics in the next step. Application abroad, will you submit a Danish diploma? Okay, submitting the application in Denmark, that is biometrics. So from there it will Danish diploma, one of series of. Okay, online. Okay, fine. And then finally you receive an answer. Means basically it also goes through VFS, where you go and apply your biometrics. So that will happen automatically. Okay, so we'll see the online form, what it is. These steps are pretty simple, like name, surname, passport number, send the case order to the, you can create a case order ID. Okay, then you got to pay the fee, and then document gathered. So form we can go ahead with this. Before we go further with the form, I just wanted to walk you through this VFS also, VFS site, because it's outsourced to them for India. Again, it depends upon your location. So in India this is like this. So let's see what the process they have said. Step, identify the visa type. Okay, so we have already gone through this. Then begin your application. For residence permit, for study and on new to Denmark, we were there. You gotta begin application. Then you're gonna select book an appointment. This is for the biometric, as I was talking about. Once you fill your application online and paid the fee, so if you have applied online and paid the fee, you got to print a cover letter, payment fee receipt. Okay, fine. Then you got to attend your scheduled appointment, biometrics. If you are applying online, then your application submitted online. Otherwise, if on paper, you're gonna submit there and track your application, and then your passport, if granted, it's good. You're gonna get the visa. So that is what. Now let's go through the form. Okay, so this is the form, and it's available in English as well. So I can click English. Okay. Work permit, residence and work permit for students. Use for residence and work as a student. And this can be granted to foreign nationals accepted in the following study programs. Higher education. Okay, fine. Choose your role. Student. Okay. Student. In order to log in part 2 of the knowledge, you must enter the reference number from part 1 and a password. Okay, fine. Click on next. Well, I did not read it full. What was it? Okay. Okay. Student next we did. Oh, back. Your education must begin the application. The form consists of two parts. You and your educational institution must complete separate parts of the form. The educational institution begins the application by completing part 1 of the application. Must you, once part 1 is completed, receives a reference number and password which you must use to log in into part 2. Okay, so that means I cannot go because this is a sample video and I don't have a reference number and password, so I won't be able to show you this online, but we can go through this printable PDF form, right? Let's see what it is. For this is official use to be completed by the applicant. Okay, case order ID. So this we have already seen before. Fee. Okay, fine. Now applicant. So let's see what are the details there. Same thing will come in online also when you go. Name, surname, nationality. These are simple things. Marital status, gender, children, phone number details, passport details, qualifications. Yeah, for education that's really important. Now tuition fee, how you're gonna pay it, applicant comments, declaration. Okay, okay, checklist, biometric. Okay, to be complete. Yeah, see, part 2 to be completed by educational institution. So they are in online. I think it's better if they complete online and share with you, but you can see the process here. Tuition fee. Okay, tuition be paid, exempt from paying the tuition fee, amount. Again, applicant is back at the head of the school. It's total 18 pages of form. Okay, and then signature. Alright, so I hope you guys got the idea. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.